Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I am Trishauna, and for today's video I'll be showing you how you can create your very own digital vision board. Now, for those of you who may not be certain what a vision board is, a vision board is basically a collection of pictures that serve as a constant reminder of your goals and aspirations. Now, stepping into the new year, this will be a great asset to all our lives to constantly remind us of the goals that we may have for ourselves. Now, for a digital vision board, this would be a type of vision board that we would constantly have on our phone as the lock screen or the home screen or laptops or any other type of device which you may have. Now, this is in essence free, and it also requires very little effort to create. Now, the apps that we'll be using for this digital vision board are Fonto, and I prefer to use Pinterest. You can also go on Google to get your pictures, but I just decided to use Pinterest to gather my photos. If it is that you have an Android phone, you can use the PixArt app instead of Fonto. Now, after gathering all of my photos from Pinterest, I went over to the Fonto app and I started to work on my actual digital vision board. Now, the size that I went with is 828 by 1792, and this is the ideal size for an iPhone XR phone screen, and that is the type of phone that I have. Towards the end of this video, I'll show you how to adjust the size for your other devices. So right here, I'm just choosing the primary and secondary colors that I want my background to be in. So as usual, I like purple, so I went with a lavender or light purple type of color, and I added a peach or coral pink color for my secondary color, and it created this ombre type of effect for the background. Then I went ahead and I added the 2021, and I adjusted the sizing and the style of the numbers to my liking. Now, after deciding where I wanted to place the numbers, I went ahead and I added the pictures that I had saved from Pinterest before. Now, of course, a vision board does not have to be perfect and precise. You can size, adjust, tilt, and place the pictures and the numbers any way that you would like them to be. It is basically yours, so it is up to you how you would like to personalize your vision board. Now, for me, some of my goals for this year are to be more consistent with YouTube and also to be more connected with God and to grow more spiritually. I would like to also learn some other things such as sign language and also become more fluent in French. I've started learning French, but hopefully by the end of this year I'll be through with my Duolingo lessons. I would also like to learn how to do microblading and fusion lash extensions. There are a whole lot of things that I would like to do for this new year, and I would also like to travel more. I know we are currently in a pandemic, but nobody really knows what the future holds. So basically, these are my plans for this year. And of course, a vision board doesn't have to stop at the end of the year that it is made. It can continue into next year, and you can also add some new things that you would also like to be an inspiration for you for the year. Now, after adjusting everything to how I wanted them to be, I went ahead and I saved this to my photo gallery, and I went ahead and used it as my lock screen. Now, for the sizing for my other device, I'm going to try this again for my iPad mini, and the sizing that I'm using is 1536 by 2048, and this is the ideal size for an iPad mini screen. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add the photo that I had saved, which is going to be my digital vision board. Added that to this new plain background, and I just stretched it out until it covered the entire white space. And this is basically the digital vision board that would be on my iPad. Now, depending on the type of device that you would have, of course, the sizing of the white background would be different. So you can just Google like the size of your laptop screen or your tablet screen, and you can just input the dimensions that are given into Fonto, and it will give you the correct white background that you can use to do your vision board. And that is basically it for this video. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below if you are interested in DIY beauty, business, or lifestyle based content. Also hit the like button down below as well if you found this video to be helpful, and also hit the post notification bell so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. Also comment down below what are your plans for the new year, and I'll catch you in the next video.